In a place like Palmetto Bay, where tropical beauty meets refined residential design, curb appeal isn't just a bonus, it's part of the lifestyle. Homeowners take pride in clean lines, bright exteriors, and architectural features that reflect both elegance and functionality. One often overlooked upgrade that can dramatically enhance a home's exterior is the installation of double-hung windows. Double-hung windows are a classic choice that seamlessly blends traditional charm with modern convenience. Defined by two operable sashes that slide vertically, these windows offer a balanced, symmetrical look that instantly elevates a home's facade. In Palmetto Bay neighborhoods, where coastal influences and lush landscaping dominate, this symmetry creates a polished, welcoming appearance that stands out without feeling overdone. One of the biggest advantages of double-hung windows is their versatility in design. Whether your home leans toward Mediterranean, coastal contemporary, or classic Floridian architecture, these windows adapt beautifully. Their clean lines and proportional structure complement stucco finishes, pastel tones, and even bold exterior colors often seen in the area. Homeowners can also customize grid patterns, frame colors, and finishes to match their personal style, creating a cohesive look that enhances the entire property. Beyond aesthetics, double-hung windows contribute to a sense of openness and light, two key elements of curb appeal. Large panes of glass allow natural light to flow into the home while also reflecting sunlight outward, giving the exterior a brighter, more inviting feel. From the street, this translates into a home that looks well-maintained, airy, and full of life. In Palmetto Bay's warm climate, functionality plays a major role in design decisions, and double-hung windows deliver here as well. The ability to open both the top and bottom sashes promotes better airflow, which is especially valuable in humid, tropical conditions. This feature not only improves indoor comfort but also signals thoughtful design to anyone viewing the home from the outside. Windows that are both attractive and practical add a subtle but important layer of appeal. Another factor that enhances curb appeal is cleanliness and upkeep. Double-hung windows are designed with easy maintenance in mind. Many models tilt inward, allowing homeowners to clean both sides of the glass from inside the home. This makes it easier to keep windows sparkling, which has a direct impact on how a property looks from the street. Clean, streak-free windows can make an entire facade appear newer and more cared for. Durability is equally important, particularly in a region that experiences intense sun, heavy rain, and occasional storms. Modern double-hung windows are built with materials that resist warping, fading, and corrosion. Impact-resistant glass options are also available, providing added protection without sacrificing style. When windows maintain their appearance over time, they continue to support curb appeal year after year. Investing in double-hung windows can also subtly increase perceived home value. Prospective buyers often notice updated windows immediately, associating them with energy efficiency, safety, and reduced maintenance. Even if you're not planning to sell, knowing that your home presents well to visitors and neighbors adds to its overall charm and pride of ownership. Ultimately, enhancing curb appeal in Palmetto Bay is about combining beauty, practicality, and longevity. Double-hung windows check all three boxes. They offer timeless style, improved ventilation, and easy maintenance, all while complementing the unique character of South Florida homes. For homeowners looking to make a meaningful yet refined upgrade, double-hung windows are a smart choice. With the right design and installation, they don't just improve how your home looks, they elevate how it feels from the very first glance.